Aha, thought it made a little noise. My name is Don Martin. I am with thereasonablerealtor.com. It's thereasonablerealtor.com. It's a website, it's a blog, it's a place you need to be. I would appreciate it if you would stop by there. Today's message is not about any article in particular. Today's message is for those of you who are just getting started about thinking about putting their house on the market, maybe for sale by owner. You are going to probably Google flat fee listing, flat fee MLS listing, maybe your city name. If you do, Google is going to turn back a lot of results to you. Many of them are going to say ad on the results. Those ads cost a lot of money. Those amounts of money are generally paid by people that have national uh, maps where you can pick your state and go from there. They'll get a little part of your money from a lot of all 50 states, and they will sublet the business back to that state, the state where you're originally from, because real estate is by state, not nationally. I wanted to say hello this morning. I am certified. I'm licensed MLS flat fee provider in Tennessee. Let's say you're in Brentwood, Tennessee. Let's say you're in Brentwood and you decide to put your house on the market. You can go and look for people that can do that, or you can just go to thereasonablerealtor.com, go up to services, and if you pull down that menu, you'll find a place where you can just put your house on the market. That, my friend, is the easy way to do it. You're going to get me. You're going to deal with me. My phone number's on there. My email's on there. Everything that you need to do to put your house on the market is right there available to you. It can be quick. It can be buckle your seatbelts quick. It can be done probably in a day or so. Uh, just depends on how soon you want to have it for sale and on the market. Again, thereasonablerealtor.com. Go check it out. Subscribe if you like it. I would love for that to happen. This video has a little red square over here where you can subscribe to this channel of mine on YouTube. Love that too. Put any comments that you got down below. Down below, you're also going to find a link for your convenience to get to thereasonablerealtor.com. Remember, then just go ahead and pull down the services. List my house on that place. If you decide you want to be a part of the Dean's list, you can get a deep discount for those services. Some people hate discounts, but there you are. If you have it, if you don't hate it, go ahead and get you a discount too. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.